this video, we're going to talk about the D-Cell, so another part of our LED strip range. D-Cell stands for dim to warm, and it's a very specific LED strip that has been designed to mimic the behavior of the traditional incandescent lights. So basically, when we dim down with this particular product, goes from a from a cooler white to a warmer white, as the name says. This particular LED strip is perfect for those applications where you need a change from maybe a crisp light for general use to more of a mood lighting towards the end of the day. So, for example, restaurants, lounges, bars, hotel rooms, or even residential, where the warm white, like the candle-like type of warm, is preferred during the evening hours. D-Cell shares kind of the same specification that we have on other LED cell portfolio. So CRI 90 as a major point, so has an excellent color accuracy. The STCM is still lower than 3 and has an efficacy of around 95 lumen per watt, which is still a good efficacy if we consider there is more of a residential feature type of LED strip. This LED strip also has 2 ounces of copper on the PCB, which is aligned more or less, which is the industry standard, and provides a stable heat management and a long durability of the product. The cutting of the D-Cell, similar to the other LED strip, is identified by the copper band, and in these cases you can even see a little scissor symbol on the LED strip, which tells you where you can cut the LED strip. The usual suggestion, the usual tip that we give to the customer is to try to keep as much copper band as possible to the LED strip, so it allows you to use the connectors in an easier way. If you leave too little of copper band, the connection could be really slim and not work properly. The cut interval in the LED strip D-Cell range is around 62.5 millimeters, which is quite a good size considering the type of LED strip. This range is sold only in 5-meter rolls, and the 5 meters is also the maximum recommended run. So to avoid any kind of low voltage drops, do not exceed the installation of 5 meters in one single run. If we want to bypass the 5-meter rules, of course you can always use a driver in the middle of your installation and power up 2 LED strips from the middle to a maximum of 10 meters on, of course, 5 meters onto the left and 5 meters onto the right. The D-Cell is available in 3 IP rating options: IP20 for indoor application and dry areas, IP65, which is perfect for damp areas, so for example a bathroom or where there could be a water jet exposure, and IP67, which is fully waterproof, which is perfect for outdoor application where the LED strip is exposed to the outdoor environment. As a general suggestion, again, the IP67, as much as it's waterproof, is not submersible, so please take in consideration where the LED strip is installed, that doesn't stand in water for a longer period of time, otherwise water ingress could damage the LED strip. The D-Cell also has, for as much as our LED strip range, a set of connectors and accessories that are depending on the IP rating of the LED strip. So for IP rating, we have a full range of plug-in accessories to complete your bespoke installation, and the same for IP67, we have a full set of accessories. For the IP65 instead, the accessories are limited, so it's much more preferred that you take in consideration using our bespoke system to create your bespoke installation for cutting lengths and maintain your IP rating. So let's put it into action, the D-Cell, to showcase how it works in terms of changing the color temperature. So that the color temperature, of course, can be controlled by a switch dim on the wall inside the application, or it can be used with a single white remote control, because it's a single dimming option. So if we keep it at a maximum dimming level, we have more of a cooler white. I wouldn't say it's 4000K, but it's a bit warmer than that. But if we dim the product down, we go for a very low output, but also a very amber-like type of CCT, which is really perfect for mood lighting. So you go from a bright white which is needed maybe during the day for normal crisp lighting, general user lighting, to a more soft, like an intimate glow that's preferred in the evening. So this particular product, as we've seen in the color temperature range, doesn't really give you any 4000K or cooler whiting, but is designed only for a warm range ambience control.